Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, clock, child safety locks, wireless charging station, power brakes, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.